Good morning, students. Students, today we will revise the chapter number 2 of Geo. The name of the chapter is Natural Resources, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So in this chapter we will revise the following points today. First of all, land resources. Land is the most important natural resource because human beings obtain most of their needs from it. Land is the most important natural resource because we obtain everything from the, you can say, land. A piece of land which is very fertile that is used for cultivation of the crops. Other side, a piece of land which is contain minerals is used for mining. Which area of the land is fertile? We grow, you can say, different type of the crops there, and there you can say those areas are densely populated. And in which area there is, you can say, land is not fertile, we cannot, you can say, grow different type of the crops there, and there is scarcely there, those areas are scarcely populated. Next, land use. For what are the use of the land? Land is used for different purposes. First of all, land is used for different purposes such as cultivation of crops, grazing of animals, buildings, houses, roads and mining. He is saying here are given so many use of the land. Land is used for different purposes like cultivation of the crops. We grow different type of the crops on the, you can say, land. Second, we build different type of the buildings on the land, and land is also used for, you can say, construction of the roads and, you can say, mining. So here are given so many use of the land. Third, soil erosion. Soil resources. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth crust. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth crust, and it is the most important renewable resources. It is the most important renewable resources, and we grow different, you can say, crops on the land. We grow different type of the crops on the land, and land provide food for all the land creatures. Land provide the food facility all the land creatures, and the land creatures depend directly or indirectly on the soil for food. Those are the, you can say, creatures who, you can say, live on the, you can say, land. Those, you can say, depend directly or indirectly on the soil for food. Next point, factor affecting soil formation. Which factor affecting the soil formation? First of all, parent material. Second, relief. Third, climate. Fourth, natural vegetation. These four factors affecting the soil formation. Soil formation. First, parent material. Formation of soil depend upon bedrock. Second, relief and climate. These are also, you can say, factor affecting the soil formation. Third, soil formation also depend upon the natural vegetation. It means in which area number of, you can say, vegetation bushes are found. Those things are also affect the soil formation. Then fifth point, soil erosion. Fifth point, soil erosion. Removal of the top layer of the soil by the action of water, air and soil, etc. When the, you can say, heavy rain is come, due to the speed of the, you can say, water, the upper, you can say, part of the, you can say, soil, which part you can say very fertile, that you can say flow with the water, and this reason is also responsible for soil erosion. Same like, you can say, when the speed of the, you can say, wind is very high, that is also, you can say, responsible for soil erosion. Then next one, causes of the soil erosion. Which causes are responsible for soil erosion? First, deforestation. Deforestation means cutting of trees on a large scale. Cutting of trees on a large scale. Day by day, our, you can say, country population is increasing, and that is the reason people have required, you can say, trees for different purposes, like you can say wood, fuel, furniture, etc. So people cutting, you can say, trees, that is, you can say, one reason for causes of the soil erosion. Second, overgrazing of the land. The hilly sides have become bare due to the overgrazing. He is saying in the hilly side, these, you can say, goats and you can say sheep, these type of the animals are found there. Due to overgrazing, you can say uh, soil erosion is occur. Then third, improper farming techniques. Plowing field in the traditional methods. He is saying in our country, mostly farmer are, you can say, uneducated. Those people do not know about the good techniques of the, you can say, farming. So those people use the, you can say, old method. This reason is also responsible for the soil erosion. Next, wind and rainfall. Rainfall dissolve the chemicals in the soil and, you can say, remove from them remove them to four of the places. Wind and, you can say, rainfall is also responsible for the soil erosion, and you can say due to the high velocity of the wind you can say causes soil erosion. When the speed of the velocity is very high, when you can say heavy rainfall, these are also responsible for soil erosion.